Hello friends, I am your Vastu consultant Rashmi Gupta. Today I have come with the topic what are the effects of the main entrance door in the northwest direction of the house. May it be a new purchase or an inherited house. A trait of some common negative symptoms can be observed. Life is precious. Break the monotony. Use Vastu for the betterment of your life. Choose a house with the correct position of the main entrance door according to Vastu. It gives health, wealth, and wisdom. The coming generations enjoy the house with the correct Vastu. Hence, use Vastu before purchasing the house. Main entrance door. This is the main entrance door of a house. A house has 10 main directions: north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest, Akash, and Brahmasthan. Today, we will discuss on the main door in northwest direction of the house. This is the northwest direction of the house. First, we will understand what is the zone of northwest direction. We will understand it with the help of the grid of the earth. This is the grid of the earth. It has 360 degree, which also indicates the 360 directions. This is the northwest direction. The zone of northwest direction is 292.5 degree to 337.5 degree. It is defined as northwest zone, air zone, and death zone. Similarly, it is considered for a house also. The main entrance door. What are the effects of a main entrance door in the house? The main entrance door is an opening in the house which joins us with the outer world. The doors and windows act like the nose and the mouth of a human being, as inhaling and exhaling is a continuously repeated process in a human body. Similarly, air and energy moves continuously in the house. In the house, they move touching everything in the house. They touch the house, the objects, walls, plants and trees, curtain, furniture, etc. And hence, air and energies operate in the house. Vastu is the combination of object, directions, and time. This is a house with the main entrance door in northwest direction. This is a layout plan of this house which shows the main entrance door in the northwest direction. What are the effects of a main entrance door if it is in the northwest zone of the house? With the main entrance door in the northwest direction, such a house is considered to be an inauspicious house. The negative effects of the main entrance door in the northwest direction of a house under normal conditions could be fire, theft, robbery, depression, illness, and painful expulsion. If other conditions in the house are Vastu favorable, it can lead to positive emigration. Or else, basically, its characteristic is to be a vacant house. It has the power to vacate the house. It has an explicit ability to keep the house vacant. A possibility can't be denied that residents of such a house, which has its main door in northwest zone, will be devoid of a permanent residence. They may have to face ever new difficulties very frequently in their life. Often, such houses maintain the property of emptiness. Their character is to empty the house and maintain emptiness. If the house has some symptoms of good vastu inside it, can head to positive immigration, or else we'll have to face the negativity or tragic expulsion. When the main entrance door of the house is in this direction, residents who are in job may face frequent shifting of jobs. And if they are in business, it will be an unsteady business. Such a house influences the relationship between the couple. The negative vibes of the house will make them fight on each and everything, which can lead to rampageousness, loneliness, and sadness in the life of the lady of the house can go to the extent that she vacates her house and spend most of her life in her parents' house. Such a house may provoke the thoughts of suicide. Children in such a house may show the symptoms of depression or may suffer from the disease of depression. Along with the negativity, this direction has some positive effects too. Positive effects of the main entrance door of a house in northwest direction can be like daughter's marriage, foreign trips, taking international education. Hence, it is necessary to either leave such a house or do required correction according to Vastu. Suggestion for correction of the defect in the position of main entrance door according to Vastu would be to change the position of the door. The main entrance door must be shifted from northwest to north direction. The changing of the direction of the door changes the Vastu of the house and makes it a positive house, a better place to live in. Any other remedy applied may have partial or short term effects, but the change in the position of the entrance door is the ultimate. It is a more effective correction. Its effects are more positive and lasts for ever long. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it so that everybody can use the Vastu tip for the betterment of their life. Subscribe our channel Vastu Global. Press the bell icon so that every upcoming uploaded video reaches to you at earliest. We run online classes on Vastu too. For any enquiry, you can email us or contact us on the number given in the description box. We will talk on staircase according to Vastu in next video. Till then, Namaste.